There are many Alibaba Cloud Academy Student Central Training sessions online throughout September and October. You can sign up via the floating QR code in the corner. Let's take a closer look. The month starts in the perfect place, a beginner's guide to MySQL on September 11th, and continues with a two-parter, ACA Cloud Computing Certification Training Day 1 on September 15th, and ACA Cloud Computing Certification Training Day 2 on September 22nd. September ends and October begins with 2 chances to take Alibaba Business User Certification Exam Preparation Training on September 25th and October 6th, and continues with the Alibaba Cloud Big Data Analysis Specialty Course on October 13th. October ends and comes full circle with another guide, Getting Started with Alibaba Cloud, on October 20th. Every session in September and October takes place from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. UTC, +8 Hong Kong time. We look forward to seeing you there.